Dear students, welcome to our channel Anu Computer Education. In this video, we are going to discuss the very important or damn sure problems in Business Statistics 1. So once आप लोग ये क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करें तो ऑलमोस्ट यही क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में आते. सो एक 3 घंटे अगर आप ये क्वेश्चंस के साथ बैठे तो यू कैन डू एनी प्रॉब्लम इन बिजनेस स्टैटिस्टिक्स 1. So the first one is Wojcik curve and histogram. So these are very important problem and multiple bar diagram. At least the first two problems you have to practice, Wojcik curve and histogram, okay, and multiple bar diagram. So it is one of the very important. So when it comes to the unit number 3, calculate the decile problem, okay, and a harmonic problem, discrete series, as well as one theoretical question is given. So practice these questions is more than enough. Now geometric mean also, one discrete series and one is individual series problem I have given. So practice these questions on geometric mean. So more than enough. So next go for the missing frequency. Okay. So try to practice this problem and combined mean. Okay. These are very important short answers. From these questions only you can expect your short answers from unit number 2. So next prepare the bar diagram for the following data and pie diagram. So these are very important questions. So when it comes to the next unit, long answers, mean, median, mode. So it is very important thing you need to observe. Inclusive class. So it means what? 0 to 10. 0 and 10. 0 is 10 is not included. Okay, 0 to 10 means 0 to 9 only. 10 will be included in the next level. So this is called as inclusive class. Okay. And cumulative frequency class means below type problem is given, we have to convert into the class interval. So after that we have to do the process. So you need to identify the question before solving whether it is inclusive class or whether it is cumulative frequency class or more than cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency. So this you have to identify before doing the problem. And next to exclusive class. Exclusive class nothing but 0 to 19, 20 to 29 is there. So we have to do the add the correction factor 0.5 to the lower limit, and we have to subtract the 0.5 factor from the lower limit, and we have to add the 0.5 value to the upper limit. So then it will be converted into the exclusive to inclusive class interval and open end class series. So by observing the question you have to decide. Okay. Sometimes the question number 6 is given here, mid values are given and frequencies are given, so it is not discrete series, it is a continuous series only. By using the mid value you need to convert this problem into continuous series, then you have to do the solution. Okay, so as usual discrete series is normal, anyone can see the question number 7 and 6 you need to observe. In place of marks they given as mid value, so it is nothing but it is a continuous series problem, indirectly is given as mid value. So we have to convert that problem into continuous series, then they have to do the process. Okay, 7th question is direct problem, fx by n you have to do and calculate the mode for the following data. So these are all very important. So question number 8, what you have to do, the frequency, highest frequency is repeated 20. Okay, so what we can do, we directly we cannot calculate mode. So how to calculate mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean we have to do. So it means for this problem you have to calculate median and mean. So substitute these answers in the mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean formula we have to use. Don't use direct mode formula. Okay. So that is the reason I'm saying these are very important. So compulsory, these are short answers from unit number 4. Mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Deviations are taken from mean and median, and quartile deviation and its coefficient. So these are all are 4 marks questions. And so these are very important questions because last 7 to 8 years, okay, what are the question papers are there. So these are very important questions. From this only you can expect any one of the short answers. Okay, so these questions are very important. From the next mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation, it is one of the very important question. And next who is more consistency, this is very important. So we have to calculate the standard deviation. Okay, so you know what, CV is equal to sigma by mean into 100. So we have to calculate the for x cars as well as y cars, and whose value is more, so we have can say that person value is more consistent. Okay, 2 same jobs, so the same problem as above. second problem and third problem, but the pattern is different. Okay, so try to practice all these patterns. These only very important problems. So these are next to coefficient of skewness based on the quartiles or Bowles, both are same, and Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. This is one of the very important. So calculate the movements, find out the value of beta 1 and beta 2. Okay, beta 1 and beta 2, these are very important problems. Next, unit number 5, important questions. So these, just once after writing the exam, you can compare these questions with your question paper and you can come to know. So these are all are very important questions in unit number 5. Compulsory you have to do these problems. Okay, and the question first long answer is accountancy, marks in accountancy and marks in statistics. Okay, Spearman rank collation, the ranks are given, the ranks are not given, and repeated marks. So 3 models I have covered. So try to practice these 3 models. So then only you can write the, so judge 1, judge 2, judge 3. So so you have to do difference between R1 and R2, difference between R2 and R3, and difference between R1 and R3. So whose value is more, so that person is nearest approach to the beauty competition. So this we have to do, and Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation, and the last one concurrent deviation. So these are the very important problems. So subscribe to our channel Anu Computer Education. So this what are the problem which I am showing here? This problem PDF will be uploaded in our Telegram channel Anu Computer Education. So just subscribe to our Telegram channel Anu Computer, so you can download this file and you can practice all these problems which is given in this particular PDF. Okay, thank you, all the best for your exam.